Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you guys how to draw a papaya for kids. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So let's get started. At first, draw a bent line, make a curve and go floppy and get down. From here, make a little round and go inside. Make it bend, go floppy, get round and go down and join like this. From here, draw a small line. From here, another line, up to down, join. Our drawing is ready for coloring. I am using light yellow. Now I am using blue. Now I am using light green. Now I am using deep green. Now I am using blue. At last I am using black and deep blue. Our drawing is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.